Well, it happened. Wasn't sure it was going to happen or not, but Sleeper Barbecue has been accepted into the porterroad affiliate program. Just got my box in today. Getting ready to open it up. Get this stuff in the freezer, and then we'll come back and talk a little bit more about porterroad. But for now, I'm going to reset the camera up and so you can see what we're unpacking as I unpack it. Alright, let's get it open. Well packed. This stuff's still partially frozen, but not frozen solid. Got ice packs. Ice packs are still frozen. First thing I see is a pack of pasture-raised, no added hormones or antibiotics pork spare ribs. Let's see what else we got in here. We have a pack of uncured beef bacon from porterroad. No preserves. Keep refrigerated below 40 degrees at all times. What else we got in here? We got some Memphis sausage links. I actually requested these. I wanted to see what they were all about. They looked good. They sounded good. So we got some Memphis sausage links. We got a dry-aged porterroad chuck roast. Man, look at the marbling in that thing. That looks excellent. And it's dry-aged. Good God. We got a porterroad whole pork butt. Pasture-raised, again, no added hormones, no antibiotics. Man, look at the size of that thing. This thing is huge. 10 pounds. Pork roast. Oh, I'm sorry. A whole pork butt. And there's still more. We got some porterroad boneless pork chops. Make that 2 porterroad boneless pork chops. Oh yeah, this is what I was hoping for. A dry-aged porterroad tri-tip. My first tri-tip from porterroad, or really from anywhere. We did find a place that sold them locally, but I never went up and got one, but we wanted to try it. And here it is. We got bone-in, dry-aged ribeye. That looks good. And there's still more in here. We got another bone-in ribeye, dry-aged. It's about 1 inch thick. And we got another ice pack. So that's it for our haul. Well, I'm very happy. 2 bone-in ribeyes. 1 tri-tip. 2 boneless pork chops. 1 dry-aged chuck roast. Memphis sausage hot links. That's got my curiosity up. We got some beef bacon, uncured. We got some spare ribs, full rack spare ribs. and a 10-pound pork butt. This thing is massive. Let me get this stuff in the freezer, and we'll come back to the camera here shortly. So it's not like every day I do this type of stuff. This is new to me, and I'm so happy about it. Being accepted into the affiliate program with a company like porterroad is just a real feather in your hat. And there's just so much I can say about porterroad. You know, it's probably, I'm not much for speeches. I never have been. The best thing is just to go to porterroad's website, www.porterroad.com, and read it all for yourself. They have awards programs. They have discounts for military, first responders, teachers. All you got to do is provide your identification, the time of checkout. You know, everything is just grass-fed, pasture-raised. You know, no hormones, none of the antibiotics, no steroids, all natural. All their beef is aged before selling it, at least 14 days. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. There's just, to read it, they've got recipes on their site. There's just a ton of stuff that their site has to give, or to offer rather. They have tips and tricks. They have a marketplace where you can get salamis, rubs, beef sticks, just everything. You really need to look at their website, because I'm going to forget half of it. But the most important thing to me, in my opinion, and I think a lot of people's opinion, is that right there. It's American owned. These are American families, American farms. porterroad only deals with family operated and owned farms in Kentucky, Tennessee, Pennsylvania. And that's, in my opinion, pretty dang important these days. You can find an American company, you need to get behind it and support it. That's what I did. And when I reached out to porterroad, because I believe in them. And I'm so grateful that porterroad gave me the opportunity to become an affiliate of theirs. And I may not be much at speeches, but I promise you I'll bring some cooks to the channel, and we'll show you all about this porterroad meats. I'm Lance from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Super Barbecue. You'll see in the next video. Well, after this rain goes by, Ian's dumping a lot of rain on us right now, but we'll get a video together, and there'll be links in the descriptions where you can go purchase the porterroad stuff. And that's it. I'm just going to sit here and ramble more and on and more I think about it. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.